Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So आपको आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी? हेलो. चैनल का नाम इंस्टाग्राम पे देख लिंक होगा, वो क्लिक कर दे, चैनल खुलेगा डायरेक्ट. चालू हो गया ना? हेलो.
नाम क्या चैनल का?
टेक टॉक एंड टेक एंड बॉक्स. उसमें आवाज़ आ रही है, देख सर. हेलो हेलो हेलो. सारी की भी आवाज़ आ रही है,
लेकिन डिले लिंक भेजना मेरे को नहीं मिल रहा.
अबे बायो पे है. ठीक है, चल जाता हूँ मैं. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू संडे लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो आज की लाइव स्ट्रीम में हम यूनिफाई नेटवर्क्स, यूनिफाई ड्राइव्स और न्यू अर्ली एक्सेस अपडेट जो यूनिफाई नेटवर्क पे आया है उसके बारे में बात करेंगे और देखेंगे. सो सामने आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, ये है क्लाउड की Gen 2 Plus एंड इट इज़ आस्किंग फॉर ए नेटवर्क अपडेट. सो बेसिकली इफ़ यू गो टू द सेटिंग्स, कंट्रोल प्लेन, वहाँ पे आपको नेटवर्क्स एप्लीकेशन दिखेगा जो अभी अपडेट मांग रहा है अर्ली एक्सेस चैनल पे. अपडेट टू 9.4.11. So basically what we'll do, we'll first go ahead and check the release of that early access, which is community.ui.com. वहाँ पे जाके we will check for network application 9.4.11, which is still early access beta. So you should avoid updating in your enterprise environment, but if you want to test this network and everything, you can do it on your home lab network. So basically this was released like 4 days ago, as you can check here, and they have released lots of new features. So first highlighting feature is object oriented networking. So they have added a new features which is object oriented networking, where you can create multiple as you can see, you can create multiple dynamic flexible policies for your devices as well as your network. So you can control the devices part as well as the network part. So you can see the images they have put here. So it will work like this object manager, where it will have a secure route, QoS and schedule, and it will automatic rule creation, routing table, and it will go to the zone. So basically this is the path. If you have full UniFi devices on your network, because it says work best with the full UniFi deployment and does not support third party equipment. So basically you can see the devices and the network tabs. So what I will do, I will go ahead to the Dream Machine Pro, which is at my home network, and I've already updated to the early access version which is 9.4.11. and here we will see you can check the early access version 9.4.11, but the UDM Pro OS version is 4.3.6. So these new objects features have been just added, as you can check here. So it says firewall rules and access lists automatically created by UniFi full stack working together. So basically this object oriented networking does it will automatically create firewall rules as well as the access list in your firewall zone. So if you have a full stack UniFi network on your home lab or on your office network environment, like gateways, switches and the access point, everything all UniFi, so this object oriented networking will work seamlessly without any issue. तो बेसिकली इसमें आप स्पेसिफिक डिवाइस सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, if you want to choose this Redmi device and you want to secure that network. For example, you want to block everything, I mean specific, I mean for this Redmi app you want to secure, you can block list, allow list, or turn off internet. So basically if you want this Redmi Note phone to block list or turn off the internet, everything, or app or domain or specific IP address, you can choose that. And even you can define the routes. So if you want to define any specific route through app, domain, or interface IP tunnel, so you can choose that option depending. Even you can set the QoS quality of service on that specific devices. So this will automatically work and it will create an access list and the firewalls. I have not tested it yet because right now I'm on the different network, and once I will update it on my office lab network, then I will test and I will make a video. I am hoping once it is released in early from early access to official release channel, then I will test this object oriented networking and I will let you know how does it perform. After that they have updated the policy table. So basically previously if you check on the UniFi network, and they have the table called policy engine, where you have firewall rules, firewall policy based route, QoS, port forwarding, and everything all static route. But with the new version they have renamed that and put a policy table where you can get all interface policies, everything like the firewall, access list, DNS, NAT, everything as mentioned here. So if you check this screenshot, under this policy table you can check all the policies. If you want to filter with the access list rule, DNS record, firewall rules, NAT rules, even you can filter with protocols. If you want to check for the TCP UDP or TCP ICMP, ICMP v6, everything. Even you can filter with the WAN. So this is also quite handy and useful when you take a look into the network. So basically आप अपने ड्रीम मशीन प्रो या कोई भी यूनिफाई गेटवे आप अपने नेटवर्क पे रन कर रहे हैं और अर्ली एक्सेस वर्जन पे आपने उसको एनेबल किया है, उसके बाद आप पॉलिसी टेबल पे उसको सारे पॉलिसीज को एक एंड के थ्रू देख सकते हैं. इवन यू कैन फिल्टर इट आउट. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू फिल्टर विद द फायरवॉल रूल्स, सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे आपको सारे फायरवॉल रूल का लिस्ट दिख जाएगा जो जो आपने फायरवॉल रूल्स क्रिएट किया है. और बाय डिफॉल्ट कोई फायरवॉल रूल्स क्रिएट होता है वंस यू डिफाइन एनी नेटवर्क, क्रिएट ए पोर्ट फॉरवर्डिंग रूल एंड एवरीथिंग. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे आप एक्शंस पे चेक कर सकते हैं. अलाउ, अगर आपको सिर्फ अलाउ का पॉलिसी चेक करना है तो सिर्फ अलाउ पे आपको ऑल अलाउ पॉलिसी विल शो, ऑल ब्लॉक पॉलिसी. इवन यू कैन चेक फॉर protocols. For example, if you want to check for ICMP v6, ICMP UDP, all everything. And even if you have created any source profile for RFC 1918 or any profile like for SSH, HTTPS for the gateway IP, you can choose that. So you can filter it out, and within the policy table everything will be shown on that same page. You don't need to go into another page to look into those features. And another one exciting feature which is also announced, but that required a UniFi OS 4.4, as you can see it, they name as WAN Magic. So basically WAN Magic, it combines the bandwidth of multiple WAN connection into a single link. As you can see, it gives you high performance and self-healing resiliency. So it requires UniFi OS 4.4. So as you can see right now, अभी UniFi Dream Machine Pro या क्लाउड की Gen 2 प्लस या जो भी यूनिफाई ओएस रन कर रहा है उस पर ये अपडेट अभी आया नहीं है. अभी फ़िलहाल ये 4.3.6 वर्जन पे चल रहा है, विच इज़ ऑन द अर्ली एक्सेस. सो आई हैव enabled early access and auto update. So once that update will be released, it will be auto updated to that 4.4. So basically WAN Magic का screenshot आप check कर सकते हैं. You will see one option as a WAN Magic. It says combine the bandwidth of multiple WAN connection into a single link. You can provide high performance and those things. So the requirement, it says available in the US with wider support coming later. So as of now ये सिर्फ US region पे support कर रहा है, and it for other region support will come later. And after that it says it requires active WAN Magic subscription. So I'm not sure if there any kind of subscription you have to pay for WAN Magic. We will see. And after that you will see there will be a lots of improvement they have added in the IPv6. So this is the must awaited update on the 9.4.11 for IPv6. So basically it added support for IPv6 NAT, network address, and it added support for map IPv4 over IPv6. So you can see there's a lots of new updates they have added on the IPv6, and they have improved dashboard, routing policy, multicast management, even the content filtering has been updated. So if you take a look into the networks, and if you create any new virtual network and you do for IPv6 and everything, support that has been added. So that new features has been added, and even they have improved the dashboard, cyber secure, and even the content filtering has been improved. So if you take a look into the dashboard, you will see they have improved, they have added this flows option here. So previously it was not there, but right now you can check the flows, stats also, how many flows. So you can check the options like what IP has been allowed, blocks, suspicious, everything will be count here, and you can choose for Wi-Fi, WAN, and everything. So you can filter it out with that. And here you have already know they have added speed test, and those features has been added. So this version is still early access. I would not recommend to update it on your office environment. It can break something. But for your home lab environment, you can update and test it on yourself, because I'm getting lots of comments like something is not working and all. But lots of users have reported from the previous version issues has been resolved. So you can take a look into the comments and everything. So that has been improved in the 9.4.11. Let's see if they release any new version which will push to the official stable release. इसके बाद हम देखेंगे यूनिफाइड ड्राइव. सो बेसिकली मेरे चैनल पे आपने काफ़ी वीडियोस देखा होगा यूनिफाई, यूनेस प्रो यूनिफाइड ड्राइव. तो यूनिफाइड ड्राइव पे भी अभी अर्ली एक्सेस वर्जन ऐड हुआ है. आई एम नॉट ऑन द अर्ली एक्सेस चैनल. आई एम currently on the release candidate version, so I won't get that update until I change the channel release channel to early access. But I will show you what new update they have brought in the network attached storage. So basically they have bundled the application unified drive 3.1.8, and the unified network attached storage is 4.3.10. so they have improved this recognition to prevent certain hard drives from being misidentified as SSD when they fail to report RPM via smart. So that has been improved. And the bug fixes, they have fixed an issue where reset and format may not fully remove the storage configuration and data. And they also fix an issue where the system could failed to reassemble RAID arrays while they were repairing after a reboot or update. So these new unified drive update will be helpful for the user who were facing issues on the previous version, so they can take a look into that and they can update according to that. After that, we'll take a look into the dashboard, where I've already shown you about the time machine. So basically, time machine is the features enable where you can it support the Apple MacBook, Mac Mini. You can you can just directly download the backup and upload that backup on the UNAS Pro. So that's a quite good feature. So this is my Mac Mini. I'm running on the all the storage of the Mac Mini, the backup, it's getting stored into via time machine into the UNAS Pro. As you can check here under the files, I've created a my drive. So here you can check one folder where it says Mac Mini. But let me show you how you can do that. If you take a look into the journal, and there is a one option called time machine. As you can see here, the time machine has been added, and I have set a quota of how many quota I have given for that drive. And you can see I have used for the weekly backup, and yesterday it has completed one backup. As you can see here, the latest backup yesterday 9:27 p.m. So that has been working quite well. I don't have to do anything else. And apart from that, in my last last live stream, I've shown you about the backups. And the last video, if you have not checked my last video on the UNAS Pro Unified Drive, I have tried to storage pool multiple RAID groups, and I have uploaded the backup to TrueNAS, and from there I re-uploaded back to the UNAS Pro. So as you can check here under the drives, I am using RAID group 1, RAID group 2. So you can check I have 4 I have 5 hard disks. Out of that, 3 are in RAID group 1, 2 are in RAID group 2. So it is quite working well. I don't get any such issues. And I upload the data speed is fast, upload and download is quite good. So that has been working quite good. And under the services, you can check here, there is an option so to create a NFS file services. Time machine has been already working. I've shown you this is how you can use the time machine backup on the UNAS Pro. So yeah, I think this was the topic I thought I should discuss with you guys over the live stream. So we have seen the new early access version on the UniFi network side 9.4.11, which was released, and I'm still not updated on the Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus. I'm waiting for it to get updated because I've set to auto update on. So once it is updated, I will let you know how does it work, and I have to wait for the UniFi OS version 4.4 to get the WAN Magic support also. So make sure to subscribe to my channel for new videos. And if you guys have any questions, you can comment down on this live stream. I will take a look into that. So I think it's been 30 minutes I'm on this live stream. So I think I will wind up this live stream, and I will make sure I will do a next live stream on the next week, hope so. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the